Ready to take your workshop to the next level? Today we're counting down 25 genius woodworking tools that are absolute game changers for DIYers and pros alike. From the precision-engineered layout tools of Woodpeckers to the rock-solid clamping power of Jorgensen, we've curated the ultimate gear list. We're also diving into must-have pocket hole jigs from Kreg and some surprisingly affordable high-performance finds from ViewReal. Whether you're looking for better accuracy, faster workflows, or the latest cool woodworking gadgets, these shop essentials will transform how you build. Let's get into the list. Achieve flawless joints and rock-solid precision in every project. Introducing the Jorgensen Parallel Bar Clamp, a heavy-duty cabinet master clamp for woodworking glue-up that delivers unmatched stability when accuracy matters most. This two-pack system features a rigid steel bar in a 50-inch design, resisting flex under pressure for reliable alignment. With up to 2,200 pounds of force, it keeps workpieces secure during demanding glue-ups and cabinet assembly. The quick-release mechanism ensures smooth adjustments, while the spreader function adds versatility for separating tasks. Built for control and efficiency, this clamp is essential for woodworking, furniture repair, and cutting board assembly, ensuring clean, professional results every time. Shape raw wood into refined craftsmanship with complete control. Meet the Lanties Drawknife Debarking tool, a woodworking essential designed for precision and versatility in every cut. This straight draw shave knife wood carving hand tool for tree bending, broaching, peeling, whittling, shaping, detailing, and stripping delivers smooth and accurate results across different projects. Built with durable steel blades and comfortable wooden handles, it ensures safe and steady handling for beginners and professionals alike. Assembly required, the blade and handles need to be installed before use, allowing better adjustment and stability. Easy to operate and highly adaptable, this tool is perfect for carving, bark removal, and detailed woodworking tasks. Turn simple wood into detailed works of art with precision and ease. Introducing the Aizmozia Wood Carving Kit, a 17-piece wood carving tool set designed as a professional whittling knife set for beginners, adults, and starter woodworking needs. This complete kit includes multiple knives, making it perfect for shaping, detailing, and creative carving projects. Crafted with sharp, high-carbon steel blades, these wooden hand knives with a sheath and deluxe leather roll bag ensure clean and effortless cuts. The ergonomic walnut handles provide a secure grip, while safety gloves and guards add protection. Portable and organized, this set is ideal for whittling, carving, and woodworking anytime, anywhere. Take control of tough cutting tasks with precision and confidence. Presenting the PrunePro Folding Hand Saw, a reliable foldable pruning wood cutting saw designed to handle outdoor challenges with ease. Featuring a 9.5-inch SK5 blade for tree trimming, gardening, and camping, this tool delivers sharp, clean cuts every time. Its sharp triple-cut blade and 3 adjustable cutting angles provide flexibility for tight spaces and awkward branches. Built with a corrosion-resistant finish and an ergonomic non-slip grip, it ensures comfort and control during extended use. Compact and easy to carry, this saw is perfect for pruning, wood cutting, camping, and maintaining your garden efficiently. Cut through projects with precision, speed, and total control. Introducing the TaskStar Cordless Jigsaw Tool, a lightweight electric jigsaw for wood, metal, and plastic, designed for both straight and curved cuts with ease. Powered by dual 2.0 ampere-hour batteries, it delivers reliable runtime and fast recharging for uninterrupted performance. Equipped with 9 blades, 0 to 45 degrees bevel cutting, and 4 orbital settings, it adapts to different materials and cutting styles effortlessly. The LED light improves visibility, while the ergonomic lightweight design ensures comfort during extended use. With tool-free blade changes and variable speed control, this cordless jigsaw is perfect for DIY projects, repairs, and detailed cutting tasks. Build a flawless deck with precision and a clean, modern finish. Introducing the GR Fasteners AnglePro deck tool. Engineered for precise decking installation with adjustable board gapping and width for perfect alignment every time. This tool delivers superior clamping force, ensuring boards stay secure during installation. Compatible Deck Elite. Hidden fasteners allow for premium aesthetic decking by eliminating visible screws for a smooth, professional appearance. With adjustable gapping from 0.12 inches to 0.3 inches, it adapts to wood movement and various board sizes. Designed with precision guides and a reinforced handle, it ensures durability and accuracy, making it ideal for fast, consistent, constant, and high-quality deck construction. Achieve perfectly straight cuts with professional-level precision and ease. Meet the Kreg Ionic Drive Plunge Saw, a versatile plunge cut track saw designed for accuracy in every project. The Kreg 20-volt Ionic Drive 6.5-inch plunge cut track saw kit delivers clean, controlled plunge cut performance for carpentry, construction, and DIY tasks. With cordless plunge cutting power, it handles hardwoods and thick boards without restriction. Its ergonomic blade-left design enhances visibility and control for smoother operation. Fully compatible with the Kreg 62-inch guide track, this tool ensures straight, accurate cuts on solid wood and plywood, making it ideal for precise cutting and professional woodworking applications. Stay protected and organized while mastering every woodworking detail. Introducing the Unittype wood carving apron, a heavy-duty canvas woodworking apron with a leather chest guard built for durability and safety in demanding workshops. Designed with cut-resistant gloves to reduce the risk of injuries while handling sharp tools. Featuring adjustable straps, a tool pocket, and a quick-release sawdust pocket for a carpenter's workshop, it ensures comfort and easy access to essentials. Its smart sawdust collection and quick empty design keep your workspace clean without interrupting your workflow. With multiple storage pockets and strong canvas construction, this apron is perfect for carving, shaping, sanding, and efficient woodworking tasks. Get precise markings and a faster workflow for every construction task. Meet the Nicpro Carpenter Pencil, a sharpener and mechanical carpenter pencil with 52 refills designed for accuracy and durability in heavy-duty work. These heavy-duty construction woodworking pencils for architects ensure clear marking on any surface, making them essential for professionals. The Professional Marker Pencil with sharpener features a 45mm long nib and a built-in sharpener for consistent precision. With a high-quality lead refill in black and colors, it prevents breakage while offering versatile marking options. Compact and portable, this tool is ideal for woodworking, architecture, and construction projects where accuracy and speed matter most. Speed up your woodworking with power, precision, and zero interruption. Introducing the Kimo Cordless Brad Nailer with 5,000 pieces of nails, single and contact firing, a fast charger, LED light, and adjustable depth. An 18-gauge cordless nail gun for DIY woodworking framing, designed to make fastening tasks faster and easier. Its dual 2.0 ampere-hour batteries ensure long runtime, while the 180 nails per minute performance delivers smooth, continuous work. The single and contact firing modes give full control for detailed trim or rapid installation. With an LED light for visibility, a fast charger for quick power-up, and adjustable depth control, this tool is essential for framing, carpentry, and woodworking projects with professional results. Achieve flawless precision in every cut, angle, and layout with ease. Meet the ViewReal 3D Measuring Ruler, an aluminum alloy square ruler protractor designed for engineers, carpenters, and crafting professionals who demand accuracy. Built as a durable woodworking square for precision tasks, it ensures reliable measurements for complex projects. Featuring built-in angle guides like 22.5 degrees, 30 degrees, 45 degrees, 60 degrees, and 67.5 degrees. It simplifies multi-angle work. This precision 3D multi-angle measuring ruler combines an angle finder and Carpenter square into one all-in-one angle finder and Carpenter square combo, ideal for framing, construction, and woodworking. It delivers fast marking, precise layout, and dependable performance for every project. Bring perfect right angles and professional precision to every build. Meet the Karryton Corner Clamp Set, a 4-pack of aluminum alloy swing jaw corner clamps for woodworking, plus 4 ABS plastic right angle clamps designed for accurate framing and assembly work. This 8Pro clamp combo includes heavy-duty aluminum swing jaw clamps and lightweight ABS plastic clamps, making it ideal for complex projects requiring multiple clamping right angles simultaneously. Built with premium quality corner clamp construction, the aluminum alloy die casting ensures durability and rust resistance. The revolutionary swing jaw design allows flexible positioning, while its strong grip ensures stability. Perfect for woodworking, framing, cabinet DIY, and furniture assembly tasks. Hold your workpieces firmly in place with precision and confidence. Introducing the Daydoor Bench Dog Clamp, designed for stable and accurate workbench control. This upgraded adjustable workbench has a stop with a brass handle that fits tightly into standard 3/4-inch workbench holes, ensuring a reliable grip during demanding tasks. Built as a fast-fixed bench dog clamp, it securely holds materials for routing, sanding, and planing with its low-profile design. Featuring heavy-duty construction with a stainless steel body and brass clamping jaw, it delivers strong, non-marring performance. Ideal for surface clamping, jigs, and irregular shapes, this tool is perfect for woodworking, assembly, and workshop precision tasks. Bring razor-sharp precision back to your tools with effortless accuracy. Introducing the Sharp Pebble Honing Guide, a chisel and plane sharpening jig designed for professionals and woodworkers who demand consistent, perfect edges. It fits chisels from 0.25 feet to 1.96 feet and fits planer blades, making it highly versatile for different sharpening needs. This precision honing guide with amazing results eliminates guesswork and helps you achieve a wickedly sharp edge without hours of practice. Built with a stainless steel design and bronze bearing, it ensures long-lasting durability. Easy to use and adjustable for any angle, this sharpening jig guide is ideal for chisels, plane blades, and woodworking tool maintenance. Drill faster, cleaner, and more efficiently through wood with professional-grade precision. Introducing the Jorgensen Spade Drill Bit Set, equipped with a quick-load connector and high-performance carbon steel paddle bits for woodworking, designed for demanding tasks. Featuring a self-feeding threaded tip, it prevents wandering and ensures effortless and clean drilling with smooth accuracy. This set includes assorted bits from 1/4 inch to 1.5 inches with a storage pouch for versatile applications. Its fast chip removal deep flute design improves efficiency, while durable carbon steel construction ensures long-lasting performance. With a 1/4 inch hex shank for high compatibility and speeds up to 1,500 revolutions per minute, it is ideal for woodworking, electrical, and plumbing projects. Get total control over your workpiece with precision, speed, and stability. Introducing the ViewReal Bench Dog Clamp, a 3/4 inch bench dog hole clamp for woodworking designed for secure and accurate holding on workbenches and MFT tables. This adjustable quick lock bench clamp for woodworking systems instantly locks materials in place, making it essential for routing, sanding, milling, and precision cutting tasks. Featuring non-marring pads and a long handle hold-fast for MFT table design, it protects surfaces while ensuring a strong grip. The 6-piece set includes anti-slip, non-marring components for versatile use. Built with durable aluminum alloy construction, it delivers long-lasting performance and reliability for demanding woodworking and workshop applications. create precise, clean mortises with power, control, and professional accuracy. Introducing the Powermatic Benchtop Mortiser, a heavy-duty woodworking machine designed for strong and reliable joinery work. Its heavy-duty reversible handle can be installed on either side of the head without tools, offering flexible operation. Two integrated bit and chisel spacers ensure quick setup, while the inline depth stop allows accurate, repeatable cutting depths. The large, hinged chuck door with a magnetic catch provides rapid access for maintenance. With an integrated chisel and tool holder with a sharpening stone and a quick-action cam-lock fence system, it delivers efficiency. The stock hold-down with a double lock system ensures stability, making it ideal for mortising, framing, and furniture joinery tasks. Transform raw wood into smooth, detailed creations with professional control. Introducing the Truck Fusion Wood Lathe Turning Tool, a 2-in-1 HSS roughing gouge. Lathe Chisel Wood Lathe. Turning tool bowl gouges for wood turning designed for efficient and precise shaping. Built for high efficiency, rough machining quickly removes excess material, making wood turning faster and smoother. Its 60 HRCHSS blade maintains sharpness even during high-heat turning sessions, ensuring consistent performance. The ergonomic design supports fatigue reduction, providing comfort and control during long carving work. Safely packed in durable chisel packaging, it is easy to store and transport. Ideal for bowl turning, rough shaping, and detailed wood lathe projects with accuracy and efficiency. Get precise, clean cuts with stability and confidence in every woodworking task. Introducing the Hortmec Clamping Miter Box, a heavy-duty ABS miter saw box designed for accurate angle cutting in trim, frames, and DIY projects. Built with an adjustable jaw and 4 anti-slip clamps, it firmly secures materials for safer and more precise work. Featuring built-in 22.5°, 45°, and 90° cutting angles for woodworking, it ensures perfect alignment for joints and edges. The durable ABS construction provides long-lasting impact and wear resistance. With a multi-angle cutting guide and stable anti-slip clamping design, it minimizes errors. Ideal for framing, molding, furniture making, and professional woodworking tasks requiring accuracy and control. Get perfect alignment and strong glue joints with effortless control and precision. Introducing the Fikun Belt Band Strap Clamps, a woodworking essential designed for secure and accurate assembly during glue-ups and framing tasks. These quick-release band clamps with 4 corner claws provide fast tension adjustment, making woodworking assembly more efficient than traditional strap systems. Built as a thick and sturdy belt clamp, it delivers consistent pressure for strong, gap-free joints. The adjustable picture frame clamp tool ensures perfect 90° alignment using corner blocks for accurate frame assembly. With a 13-foot heavy-duty strap, it evenly distributes pressure, making it ideal for cabinets, boxes, furniture repair, and professional woodworking projects. Drive every nail with power, control, and confidence on the toughest job sites. Meet the Spec Ops Tools Framing Hammer, a 22-ounce rip claw, milled face, shock-absorbing grip hammer designed for professional framing and heavy-duty construction. With a 25% lighter head for sniper-controlled swing and a ballistically balanced design, it delivers maximum striking power with precision. The shock-absorbing MOA grip reduces vibration for comfort and accuracy, while the magnetic nail starter speeds up fastening. Built with a heat-treated milled face for angled nail drive, it ensures reliability in every strike. Its versatile rip claw supports demolition, nail removal, and splitting, making it ideal for framing, carpentry, and construction work. Upgrade your drilling precision with unmatched stability and control. Introducing the Woodpeckers Drill Press Table Kit with a work surface, clamps, a fence, and stops, able to transform any 12-inch or larger drill press into a high-accuracy workstation. Designed with a 16 by 23-inch micro dot table, it reduces friction and improves workpiece control. The dual-purpose T-Track ensures strong fence attachment with durability and precision scales. A 36-inch fence provides accurate alignment, while 6 stainless steel flip stops, 2 knuckle clamps, and 1 filler block enhance versatility. Ideal for woodworking, drilling, and repetitive precision tasks, it delivers professional-level accuracy and efficiency. Achieve perfect wood joints with accuracy, strength, and a professional finish every time. Meet the Fates Nice Doweling Jig Kit, a multifunctional aluminum alloy woodworking screw hole drilling guide with 8 drill bushings designed for precise joinery and DIY projects. The adjustable wood joint locator tool for any thickness. Wood joints and DIY projects works as a professional-grade 2-in-1 Doweling Jig Kit joinery solution, combining self-centering and vertical hole guiding in one tool. CNC precision machined aluminum ensures durability, while the centerline guide guarantees flawless alignment. With effortless adjustability, laser engraved scales, and a drill bushing set, it is perfect for woodworking, furniture making, cabinet assembly, and hidden screw joinery tasks. Fix unsightly floor gaps quickly and restore a seamless flooring finish with ease. Introducing the Fobet Floor Gap Fixer Tool, an LVP, vinyl plank and engineered hardwood floor designed for fast and effective DIY floor gap repair kit applications. This professional floor gap fixer tool, mallet not included, helps correct gaps caused by humidity changes, expansion, or installation shifts without costly repairs. Built with a strong aluminum body and powerful suction grip, it ensures stable handling on smooth flooring surfaces. Safe for laminate, vinyl plank, and engineered hardwood floors, this lightweight tool is ideal for homeowners, renters, and flooring professionals managing quick and efficient floor restoration tasks. Turn rough lumber into perfectly smooth boards with professional precision and power. Introducing the Find By Tool Wood Thickness Planer, a helical cutter-head equipped machine designed for accurate and efficient woodworking results. Powered by a 120-volt, 15-ampere, 20,000 revolutions per minute power electric motor in feeding work table for woodworking, it delivers strong and consistent performance for demanding tasks. Featuring 40 tungsten carbide insert knives, this planer ensures a clean, tear-free finish on every pass. The incredible accuracy comes from its 4-column anti-wobble design, maintaining tolerance under 0.1 mm. With an 8-position depth stop and efficient dust collection system, it is ideal for smoothing, leveling, and resizing wood for furniture, carpentry, and professional woodworking projects. That wraps up our look at these 25 essential woodworking tools. From Woodpecker's precision to Kreg's efficiency, which of these shop upgrades is topping your wish list? Let us know in the comments below. If you found these tool reviews helpful, make sure to smash that like button and subscribe for more woodworking tips, shop tours, and gear guides. Don't forget to check the links in the description for more info on everything we covered today. Thanks for watching, and happy building!